In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a bank feed to Xero. Getting your bank feed set up is one of the most important parts of using Xero properly because it allows your bank transactions to flow directly into your accounting software. That means less manual data entry, fewer mistakes, and much faster reconciliations. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and you can follow along on your own screen as you go. First, make sure you're logged into your Xero account and that you have the right permissions to manage bank accounts. Once you're on the Xero dashboard, look for the main navigation menu, usually across the top of the screen. From here, click on the Accounting tab. This is where Xero keeps most of the tools related to your financial data, including your chart of accounts, reports, and of course, your bank accounts. After you click Accounting, a drop-down or sub-menu will appear. From that list, select Bank Accounts. This will take you to the page where all your existing bank accounts and credit cards are listed. If you're setting this up for the first time, the page might be fairly empty, and that's completely fine. On the bank accounts page, look for an option that says Get Bank Feeds. This might appear near the top or as a button next to the account you want to connect. Go ahead and click Get Bank Feeds. What you're doing here is telling Xero that you want to establish a secure connection between your accounting file and your bank. Xero will now guide you through a connection flow. You'll see a screen explaining that you're about to connect to your bank securely. When you're ready, click on Continue and log into bank. This will redirect you to your bank's login page or a secure window where you can enter your online banking credentials. Always make sure you see the correct bank name and that the page looks legitimate before entering any details. Once you're logged into your bank, simply follow the on-screen prompts. Typically, you'll choose which bank accounts you want to connect, confirm sharing access with Xero, and authorize the connection. Take a moment to double check you're selecting the correct account, especially if you manage multiple business or personal accounts. After you finish the prompts, your bank feed will be set up, and Xero will start importing transactions from your bank according to the options you chose. From here, you'll be ready to start reconciling your bank transactions directly within Xero.